As we kick off our exciting Makerspace journey, get ready to explore some incredible inventions that will blow your mind. Let these brilliant creations spark your imagination and inspire you as you dive into the world of tinkering. Think of it like this. When you go to a library, you pick any book that you love and dive right in, right? Well, Makerspace Library works just like that. But instead of books, you'll find projects. Tons of them are categorized for your convenience. You just pick one that excites you, grab the materials, and start building, experimenting, and prototyping. Here's the cool part. We're not just stopping at building things. We're combining tinkering with an entrepreneurial challenge. This means you'll also learn how to create value from what you build. Remember, Makerspace isn't just about the final product. It's about the joy and discovery in the process of making. So, embrace the journey, have fun, and keep coming back to this video whenever you need a boost of inspiration. Let's create something amazing together.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.